Tyler, the Creator, has been a critical and commercial superstar since the release of his 2016 album, Flower Boy. Since then, he's gone from strength to strength, with the self-produced Igor breaking numerous streaming records upon release, and Call Me When You Get Lost bringing him back to his rap roots, with some crazy cameos from DJ Drama. But what would new music from Tyler sound like? In this video, I'll be making a beat inspired by his post-Flower Boy discography to envision what a new Tyler record could sound like. I'll be focusing on three key areas of Tyler's music. Firstly, his love of synths and keyboards, and how he layers these up better than almost anyone else in the game right now. Secondly, Tyler's drum programming and sound selection. And lastly, well, you'll have to wait and see for that one. Anyway, let's get this beat started. Alright, arguably the most important element across all of Tyler's music of the last 7 or 8 years is the synths. He loves them, he layers them, they're really key to his sound, so where better place to start? I've got this Analog Lab patch loaded up with this nice sort of EP sound. Let's just lay down a little progression. That's nice. That's really nice. I think I might want to replay that last chord in with a better voicing. Where was it at? Ooh, yeah, then it goes up into that A as well. Nice. Right, so we've got some tidy MIDI here. I'm deliberately not going to quantize it because I want everything to be a bit funky and offbeat and off kilter. That's kind of the whole key to Tyler's thing. Okay, effect-wise, we've got first EQ, taking off some top, then some compression, then this needle point to give it some grit, some noise, etc. Then taking off a bit more top with that because the noise was getting a bit too much. And then we have this. Without the effects. Just a bit too clean, really. Put this back on. Nice. Okay, that's a nice first layer, but we definitely need more. Definitely need more. Tyler loves piano, so I think next up we'll get something to complement that synth layer we just did and grab a piano. Hell yeah. As far as effects go, kept it pretty simple. Just this EQ, a little bit of tape saturation. It's building nicely. Building really nicely. Okay, more layers. All right, got this pretty nice Prophet sound. Make a little extra layer with that. Right, just got this nice Analog Lab sound up for a nice little synth lead. Sounds like this. Let's try and record something in. Nice. Right, got this Analog Lab layer here with some cool stuff on it. Let's take a listen to that. Without effects. Just livening it up, giving it some ambience. And I'm also thinking that would sound really cool layered with like a Mellotron flute kind of patch. Let's try that out. And then add a little bit of like spaced out on there. Ooh, I have loads of cool effects on here. That sounds cool. Okay, we've already nailed one key part of Tyler's production, which is the synths, and the next essential part is drums. On Tyler's next record, who knows what drum sounds he's going to come up with. In his past stuff, he uses a mix of R&B drums, trap drums, and everything in between. So I think today, I'm fancying the trap drums. I'm sure they'll appear on his next record. Let's take it away. Something like that. I like that, how it goes, kind of like sounds like it's just one kick playing when you put the volume right down. Oh, I'm tempted to bring out the real live sounding hi-hats. I think it's got to be done. That will sound so nice. super simple. Let's accent that groove a little bit with some stuff, but it doesn't need too much. Hearing that little hit there. Yes. Oh, smooth. So smooth. Get a little bit of tape sat on there. That is tidy. All right, I've played around with a few bass sounds. Couldn't get anything for a while. Found this sound. Sounds so fat. And let's play something in. Okay, that goes hard. That is dirty. Dirty, dirty bass. I just want to blow that bass out. Hey girl, can I blow your bass out? Cancelled. Okay, we've got this sounding incredible in my opinion. Sounds so nice. Very Tylerish. We have created the Tyler, so to speak. Horrible pun. What am I doing? Anyway, one last bonus thing for you that is extra special to Tyler's production, and in my opinion, really gives him part of his signature sound, and that is synth strings. He loves a synth string section, especially on his later stuff. So let's get one in. Alright, that is sounding so tasty.